Guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Today I just wanted to show you guys my Christmas stuff, like what I got for Christmas, but like just the craft stuff, the craft portion of it, and then one special items I actually got for my birthday because my birthday is right after Christmas, and I thought it was pretty cool and I really wanted to show it to you guys. So anyway, I want to jump right into what I got for Christmas 2021 because it's already 2022. My sister got me some more resin, which I can't go wrong with this resin. I love this resin. And then my parents, no wait, let's stay with what my sister got me. My sister got me some gorgeous glitter and I already took one out, so there's those. You're gonna have to ignore my nails because I took some of the gel stuff off. They were falling apart, so I'll just hide those ones. But yeah, there's the glitters, and this one's missing is just like that, but silver. I think they're really pretty. I'm excited about using them in my resin. And then she also got me these Let's Resin molds. And these are, it's going to be really hard to, I don't want to open them quite yet because I don't want to get them all dusty and have them sitting here because it's a little cold in my room. Ava, please not right now. It's a little cold in my room, so I haven't been working a lot with resin as of right now because it can mess with your resin. The temperature of your room can mess with your resin, so I haven't been really messing with that. But if you can see, these are all ghosts. And then these tall ones here are ghost figures. I'm so excited about using those when it warms up just a little bit. If not, I'm going to have to figure out how to put a heater in my room because my room is the coldest room in the house. Just because it's, when they built it, they didn't insulate it real well. We have to redo it. Not a big deal. We will get to it eventually, but it's just not that important right now because I can close my room off and keep the rest of the house warm. So that's nice. Not that you wanted to know this, but now you do. Anyway, so those are really cute. So look out for some ghost videos coming. Ooh. I'm excited about using those though. And then she also got me some bat molds. Hope you can, yeah, okay. Like, those are huge. And then these on the back here, they're actually drawer pulls, these smaller ones, and I'm so excited about doing those because I know exactly where I want to put those at. I have a cabinet I got in my living room that has some drawers in it, and I'm going to make some drawer pulls for it. Super excited about using that, and I've been wanting these for a really long time. Oh, what I like that these kits came with. They actually came with the screws and stuff, which is cool for you to do the drawer pulls. I mean, I'll have to save the size so I know what size to get, but I think that's pretty cool. Alright, and then the last crafty thing I got from my sister is this here, Learn to Crochet. I've been wanting to learn to crochet for a while. I kind of know how to a little bit, like just barely. I know how to make a chain, or I did. I don't know if I still do, honestly, now that I think about it. But I did know how to crochet for a while. But I really wanted to learn how to like make my own hats and stuff, just for me, not to sell, not to do any videos on, because this is a learning thing. But I wanted to try, and this has a book and it tells you all the information you need to know, plus has a crochet hook and the crochet needle, like a little plastic crochet needle, I'm guessing to tie in ends to things. Like, again, I don't know. So this is cool. I'm excited about trying this out in while I'm sitting there watching TV or something to keep my hands busy. That's always fun for that. My parents got me a bunch of glitter, which was really nice. And I didn't take it out, but they're from, I'm not really sure where these are from. I think these are from Michael's because it says Go Create. And this is the one here. This one is rainbow. It has all these pretty glitters. And these are like fine glitters. And this one is mystical glitter. And it's got a narwhal on it. But look how pretty all those are. And then this one is neon, which, how cool are those? Oh, look at that black one here. I'm excited about that one. Oh, that's real pretty. So they got me other stuff. This is just the crafty stuff I got, plus I'll show you now what my husband got me. My kitchen is a little bit of a mess, and sorry about the noise in the background. My dog is taking a drink right now as I'm filming. But look, it is a KitchenAid, the professional one. I am so excited about using this. I haven't used it quite yet because I keep forgetting when I go to the store to grab some yeast so I can make some bread, which I really don't need to eat right now, but that's okay. I really want some bread. Anyway, so this is one of my Christmas gifts that is not quite crafting, but it's still crafting if you call it a kitchen craft. So there's that. I love it. And like I said in the video, it's not really a crafty thing, but it's a kitchen craft, I guess. And I was super excited about it, and I'm excited about using it. I haven't been able to use it just quite yet because I haven't really been cooking or baking lately, just because things been happening, but that's okay. I'm excited about trying it out. This is just a quick video. I'm pretty sure that's, I'm trying to think. Is that all I got? I'm pretty sure that's all I got. Craft wise, I got tons of other stuff that's not craft. Pardon my phone. I got tons of other stuff that's not craft things. I was super lucky this Christmas. I have a really great family, and I'm very, very thankful for them. These are just the craft things I got. Oh, let me go get the other special thing real quick that I got for my birthday. Hang on. So for my birthday, my sister bought these. Ooh, the frame's a little dusty from sitting on my coffee table. Brought these for me and framed them. How cute is that? It's like a ghost Polly Pocket. I'm just in love with it. And this one's Christmas themed. And then this one is Halloween ghost Polly Pocket. I just love them so much. I have to figure out where to hang them up. I don't quite know where I'm going to put them at. But I'm going to redo my room. My birthday gift I'm getting from my mother. Thank her. She's gonna help me redo in here, and since I'm kind of rebranded myself, I want to redo my room. It's probably not gonna be repainted, but I want to try to put up art here, and I love this, but I'm not really using it. So I don't know. I'm just gonna figure out what I can do, and then I want art up here in my background when I'm filming. I want to see if I can get some lights and stuff, some better lighting than this. I'm gonna try to redo a lot of my stuff. I don't know when or how long it's gonna take me, so bear with me as my production hopefully gets a little bit better with my videos. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. I am so excited about showing you my stuff. I'm so excited. My phone just keeps going off. I apologize. I'm excited about using my stuff with my resins and everything this year. I plan on making some pour videos this year, and that sounded horrible. Some resin pour videos this year. And I do have a resin comparison video coming up in a couple weeks. Hopefully, I'm waiting for it to warm up just a little bit so I can give it a what's the word I'm looking for? So I can give it a fair shot, because I can't really compare it in this cold weather. Today it's like a high of 40 here, which is really cold for the south. No, 50. A high of 50 here, which is still really cold for the south, which means it's going to be even colder in this room than it is outside, because I don't know why that works that way, but it does. I am freezing in here. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and even if you don't, do it anyway because it makes me happy. Give me a comment below of what was your favorite thing, I guess, that I got for Christmas or the holidays, or tell me what you got for the holidays that you love. Even no matter what you celebrate, tell me something you got recently that you love in the comments below. I have a 5% off discount for Craft Resin, in my description below. So if you want to save on craft resin, go check that out and use my code for 5% off your entire order. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and tell all your friends that there's a crazy lady that loves glitter on the internet. Okay, bye!